Okay, so one of the last videos I said I wasn't sure if I was going to go back and get more wooden boxes. I did. This is probably one of the best ideas. Look at, I can't even wait. Like, come on now. No, I'm starting to get it like together. It's going to be organized. I can't have these on the bottom because they stick out when I shut the cabinet, so they have to stay right there. But I'm okay with that. Like, I'm starting to put like my bouillon and, you know, like my chicken and my ham and all of that good stuff there. My big spices here that I use a lot. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I'm pretty excited.